Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the extreme programming. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in agile and project management and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, extreme programming is a type of project management methodology to manage the project. It's a type of agile actually. So now what is actually extreme programming? Whenever we are implementing projects, we need some methodology. Methodology means that how we will implement the project. So like for example waterfall and Scrum. So these are the project management methodologies. Similarly, extreme programming is another methodology to implement the project. Now what does it mean actually, extreme programming? Extreme programming means that we divide the work into iterative and recurrent software releases throughout the project. Instead of that, for example, like similar as compared to waterfall methodology, in which we complete the whole development and then we deliver it to the customer for testing. However, in this we divide the work into smaller chunks and smaller releases and share it with the customer, and with the passage of time, with the short iterative cycles, the release become more mature. For example, if you have want to implement the e-commerce solution and there are 40 tasks in the release, for example, if we do with the waterfall methodology, what we do, we completely develop the 40 tasks and then deliver it to the customer for the testing, okay, in the waterfall. However, in the extreme programming, what we do, we divide the 40 tasks into chunks of 5 tasks, for example, and each chunk will contain 5 tasks. So we complete the 5 tasks for example in 1 week and deliver it to the customer for testing, and then get his feedback, improve the release, and then next week again the next 5 tasks. So this is basically the concept of the agile, and here basically we can assess the feedback of the customer, we can review the project progress, and development will also improve, the release will also mature. So this is basically the concept of extreme programming. Basically the main values in the extreme programming, first one is the communication. Communication means that communication should be very effective throughout the team and customer. Like we have to deal with the customer, we have to deal with the core team, basically the software development team. Then simplicity means that the extreme programming focus on the simplest way to get the things done. That means basically the procedures or development methodologies are not very complex. Complex means that simple means that things are very simple, focus on the delivery, talk to the customer, get things done. Basically same things are simple. Then feedback means that get the feedback from customer, get the feedback from team, and improve the things. So the improvement methodology is based on the feedback of the customer and the project team as well. Respect is another value. Respect means that respect among the team members, respect with the customer. So all things are very important with respect to respect. So personal respect, customer respect, and professional respect is very important to achieve the goals. Like whenever we are talking with within the team, it's important to respect the other team member as well, because if you give a respect to other team member, he will also give you a respect. Then courage means that it's important that if you think that something going wrong, or if something is not good, you should have a courage to speak about it. For example, you have noticed that customer feedback is not properly incorporated into the release. So being a team member, you should have a courage to talk about it, to discuss about it, and raise your voice. This is also very important to improve the software development or release. Then next is the basically the challenges that we face in the extreme programming are basically, extreme programming is complex framework with a lot of rules so it's important to implement those rules carefully. If we don't implement those rules properly, so obviously it will become a challenge to implement the extreme programming. Collaboration among the teams is very important. Collaboration means that software development team should have to talk with each other, collaborate properly, talk with each other, sit with each other, and get feedback about it. Then extreme programming relies on too many things. So if you don't do one thing right, so other thing will also become a problem. Extreme programming doesn't offer a clear-cut foolproof process, so you can easily adopt and follow. So you have to intelligently follow the rules and regulation. Secondly, normally it happens that when we are implementing extreme programming methodology, customer is also sitting with you. So it's important to that whatever the processes you are mentioning, so it's not necessary to share all these specifications in front of customers, because if customer leave, so all work will also be in the vain in that situation as well. So basically, friend, extreme programming is a methodology to implement a project with short releases, and we provide short releases to the customer, and with his feedback from customer side and from the project team as well, we improve the things properly. And this is basically extreme programming is based on the concept of agile, which is you can say you can say a comparative to a waterfall. It's a different methodology. So extreme programming is an agile methodology to implement the project using the short releases and iterative approach. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.